How to highlight mouse pointer in Windows 11. First, download PowerToys from the Microsoft Store. Go to Microsoft Store. Search PowerToys on the search bar. Click on it. Install the application. Once PowerToys is installed, open the app. Locate the mouse highlighter module, toggle it on and click on it. Under the mouse highlighter section, you can customize the highlights color, size and opacity. Expand the appearance and behavior option. If you want to highlight something after clicking, then you can change highlight color from these two options. Press Windows Shift H key together to activate this mouse highlighter. Now when you click on something, you will see the highlighted color. If you want always highlight the mouse pointer, then click on this color box. Choose a color, then increase the opacity. Done. If you want to deactivate the highlighter, press the Windows Shift H key together again. And that's how you can highlight mouse pointer in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.